Select some random vertices and assign them to a new vertex group. One by one, add hooks to these vertices with Ctrl H. Click on Select in the Vertex Group panel to see where the other vertices are. Add collision to the character and the cloth sim to the clothing. I like to scale everything up as it makes the clothing simulation work better. Increase the timeline end as well as the cache end so it won't stop after 250 frames. Add the vertex group to the pin group of the cloth sim. Enable self-collisions and reduce gravity to 0. Play the simulation. Grab and move the hooks to create subtle folds. To apply the folds, press Ctrl A and choose Visual Geometry to mesh. Sculpt additional folds with the simulated result as a guideline.